Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to this topic of why we need or why we should go for SUSE Linux or in general the Linux based operating system, the GNU Linux. Okay, so let's look at it. So, today's topic is why Linux. Okay, there are various advantages of going for Linux. Most of the people they go for one of these benefits. The first and the foremost benefit is security. Okay, so why security? Because we don't see the viruses here, we don't see the spywares, and these are actually non-existent issues. Whereas in some of the environment we see there is a lot of viruses, lot of patching being on going on because of virus, lot of spyware introduced. So this is one major benefit that I wanted to let you guys know. Second main benefit is the maintenance. Okay, so from maintenance perspective, what all the benefits we get in maintenance is we don't have to perform the virus scans, we don't have to perform the spyware checks, we don't have to defragment the disk, we don't have to clean the registry, we don't have to reboot the system frequently. So from the maintenance perspective, these are some of the benefits that you get once you get into the Linux based operating system. Okay, there is another benefit is the stability. Okay, this product is pretty stable. So individual apps might crash, but the operating system itself crashing is very rare. Okay, then let's get into the next item, which is about the fact that, as you guys know, that this is an open source. Open source means you may run the software as you wish, study the source code, modify it, share it, and there are no tricky end user agreements. Okay, then about the Linux community, as you guys know, it's being an open source, so anyone can modify, anyone can make changes to it. And finally, the economy of it is that this is much cheaper than the other operating systems. Okay, so these are some of the benefits what you get when you get into a Linux based operating system. There are few more benefits like transparency. So most of the Linux distributions are developed in open source using different public channels, different bug trackers, different public feature trackers, etc. So there is a transparency on what is there in the code. Okay, so that is pretty much about this particular topic, that is why we need Linux. Why Linux is a preferable operating system. Okay, why more and more people are switching to the Linux based operating system. Okay, so that is pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular topic. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.